Hello, welcome back to my channel. Now, we want to solve this problem on the board using the formula method. Remember, in our previous video, we have derived the formula and we are given that the formula is x is going to be b minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now, if you want to know how we came to this formula, you can quickly pause, go back to our previous video and follow through. Now, let's continue. We also know that the general form of a quadratic equation is given as ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. By now, this should be singing like a song to you because I've used it and used it and used it, and we'll continue to use it. Now, this is the general form of a quadratic equation, and we'll only compare the coefficient. The only work here is to compare the coefficients and substitute into that formula. So, solution to our problem, we have that x is going to be minus b plus or minus, I'm putting the formula, b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now, comparing this general form with our given equation, we will have that a is equal to the coefficient of x squared and b is equal to the coefficient of x, which is 13, and c to be the constant term there, which is minus 6. Good. Now, we will now be substituting this value into this equation to have that x is going to be minus 13 plus or minus square root 13 squared minus 4ac. A is 5, c is minus 6, all over what? All over 2a, which is 2 times 5. Okay. Now, interesting. Now, let's simplify. X is going to be minus 13 plus or minus 13 squared is 169 minus 4 times 5 is 20 times minus 6 will be minus 120. Good. All over 2 times 5 is 10. So I have that x is equal to minus 13 plus or minus square root of 169. Minus gives us plus, so we are having plus 120 all over 10. Now let's continue. That will give us minus 13 plus or minus this 169 plus 120 will give us 289 all over 10. Therefore, that will give us minus 13 plus or minus square root of 289 is 17 all over 10. Therefore, x is going to be either minus 13 plus 17 all over 10 or minus 13 minus 17 all over 10. So minus 13 plus 17 will give us 4 over 10. Or minus 13 minus 17 will give us minus 30. Yes, minus 30 over 10. Now reducing to the lowest term, x becomes, this will give us 2 over 5 or minus 3. And that gives us our solution. This becomes easier, simpler than the completing the square method, but the root of it comes from the completing the square method. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.